Banarasi Tilfi Cutwork Silk Cotton Sari priced at 3,700. Four colors have been available and multiple pieces are available, I guess. So links will be provided. You can click on the link. Till the link allows you to buy, it means those that many quantities are available. Once it goes out of stock, it means somebody has bought all the number of quantities that were available and it is out of stock. The same collection will not be available till 1.5 months because we don't repeat our collections so frequently. So make your purchases as fast as possible. Okay, let's go into the beautiful Banarasi Tilfi silk cotton sari with beautiful Meena works and silver zari woven all throughout as a budget friendly price of 3,700. Amazing color combination, that is a pastel peach with beautiful work. I have nothing more. Look at the tassel. The tassel should never be missed out. It's such a pretty tassel. Nice, big, initial. That's okay. So that's the silver zari woven palla. It's kind of organza feel, I must say. Very pretty collection. It's got multiple color tassels done. Amazing collection, double-sided border. Look at the sequence, look at the work, feel, and that's a cotton silk sari. It's cotton base mix and a beautiful fall and nice zari woven palla. Let's see the blouse of it. It's got a brocade blouse for itself. That's the blouse. Yeah, that's got a brocade silver mixed blouse. You can always go for multiple contrast colors. Those are available in the sari. The entire sari is a beautiful collection by itself, completely woven. Let me show the back weaving. So it's easy, happily done. Nothing to worry about the back side portions also. 3,500 beautiful Banarasi silk cotton saris with silver zari woven motifs. Cotton major silk, so cotton silk saris. Okay, so very beautiful sari. It looks like a designer piece of organzas, but it's a budget friendly cost. Okay, this is sari number 2, which is a pearl white and cream mix of white. Look at this tassel, amazing. Every tassel is so pretty and cute enough. That's the tassel. It's got silver and gold mixed to it, and that is the entire sari for you. The whole sari is silver zari woven palla. The whole weaving is amazing. Double-sided border with the highlighting border of pink at the bottom, and so the contrast of pink color blouse can also be an option, beautiful option. That's the blouse for the sari. That is a silver color blouse for the sari. Turn the sari around, ma. Entire sari looks like a designer masterpiece collection at just 3,700. Amazing collections to own, beautiful to have, and in every single, this is a lemon yellow mixed cream. This is amazing collection, beautiful finishes. 3,700. I think we have 2 pieces each, I guess. This is another nice yellow color, lemon green, that was this is, and this is got a silver color weaving also. The red color is a contrast tassel given over here to make it even more embellished look, and that's the entire sari for you. What more can you ask? The color is so subtle and beautiful. The combination makes it, as I always tell you, this looks like an organza, designer organza collection at unbelievable price of 3,700. It's a cotton silk sari with zari woven borders and palla and a tissue complete brocade blouse this carries. So that is the entire sari for you. All the 4 colors are classy. Never miss them. All 4 could be gifted for Diwali or any of the occasions coming in the near future, or even a gift for your mom or sisters or girlfriends or wife, or anybody would be a bliss to contain it. So it's very beautiful. Have it yours. There's the last color is a pistachio green, nice pastel green. Here it looks amazing. Yeah, in real it's even more amazing. That's the palla. That's the blouse. The tassel is in green and beautiful. Wow, a pastel tone of beauty this is. That then opens up to be so beautiful here. That's the green sari, pastel green with red, orange, blue, and a green color flowers woven all throughout with the highlighting border in the pink color and a zari woven brocade blouse all throughout. That's the back weaving. So with this I will be completing 4 set of 4 saris. I think 3 to 2 pieces available in each. Amazing collection, never miss it. Click your link, buy, and give us 5 5 days to ship it out, because too much of order we are not able to ship out in 2 to 3 days. So kindly hold on for 3 to 5 days. We will definitely give you a tracking details for that. If at all not sent also, you will get the sari safe and sound. You don't need to worry about the shipping part of it. A little bit of delay because COVID situations are not yet completely sorted out, so it needs a little more time for us to ship it out. Once you get the notification from the payment partners with our logo and GST details, it means a confirmation has come from us as well. So don't worry, things are rest assured and safe with us. We will be shipping out in 3 to 5 working days, and you will be shared tracking accordingly. Happy shopping. We'll be coming up with very interesting collections in the coming hours of the same day. Also stay tuned with us throughout the day, because sometimes we're not able to intimate the timing. As and when I get collections, I keep posting, because there's so much of demand and so much of love for our collection. Explaining takes a little time, so stay tuned, be with us always, and do subscribe our YouTube channel, because these videos will be posted on YouTube. So like, subscribe and share our videos, and never miss to click the bell icon so that you get all the details immediately we post. Happy shopping. Bye.